If you've been hearing the buzz about DLPs and wondering if it's a golden opportunity or just another clever trap, you're not alone. This crypto-based MLM platform is raising eyebrows fast, and today we're diving into exactly why. Des Alpes operates on a structure where users pay to join and then earn commissions by recruiting others into the same loop, a system that sounds all too familiar if you've ever looked into pyramid-style setups. At first glance, it may seem like a modern investment chance riding on the crypto wave, but once you dig deeper, several red flags pop up. There's a concerning lack of transparency, with no information about who runs the platform or any leadership structure at all, which is a major red flag for anyone putting money on the line. There are also no tangible products or services being offered. Earnings rely solely on bringing in new people, not on selling anything of real value. The entire model is built around a 220 matrix scheme, which means the system demands a constant stream of new signups just to keep going. Promises of cashback and passive income are vague and feel more like bait than actual benefit, and when you analyze the structure, it becomes clear that only those who join early or excel at recruiting are likely to see any real return. For everyone else, the risks are high, and the chance of losing money is even higher once the momentum slows. While some may defend it as just another hustle in the crypto world, the facts speak for themselves. Des Alpes shows all the signs of an unsustainable system that's built to benefit the few at the top. So before you think about jumping in, make sure you understand what you're really signing up for.